Hi. So this month we are trying to do the pantry challenge and only use everything out of our pantry and our freezer and buy a minimal amount. So I want to see how low we can keep our budget this month. So here is what we bought for the month. So this month's grocery haul, I went to Aldi's and to Walmart, and I spent $53 at Aldi's for graham crackers, cakes mix, tomato sauce, sour cream, butter, head of cabbage, some yogurt, carrots. I'm going to make up some refried beans, potatoes, corned beef was $1.99 a pound. 3 dozen eggs for $1.28 a pound each. A few other odds and ends. My coffee creamer, peanut butter. And so then at Walmart, I spent $42.15. We got fabric softener, 4 pounds of cheese that I'm going to slice and shred. Some biscuits. We're going to make some donuts. A couple sauces. Parmesan cheese for making Alfredo, and then I'm going to try and make some spring rolls. I got 10 pounds of chicken, $2.26 per 5 pounds is on sale, a big 5-pound thing of tater tots, and then we got some hoagie rolls that were $1.49, and this is what we're going to spend for the month. And that one was $42.15. So I spent about $100. So in addition to Walmart and Aldi's, I did go to the commissary where I picked up a pork roast, which I cut down and made into ground pork because they didn't have any of that. That was 80 cents a pound. I think it was like 10 pounds, so it was $8. And then I also got a thing of milk that was $1.25, just a little thing of milk. And then that was everything that I purchased. Spent like $10 at the commissary, so it took us up to about $110 for this month in groceries. And we're going to try and make that last all month long. There might be a few produce things that I have to buy, but I will keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.